The process begins inside a secure luxury smartphone workshop, where flagship phones are upgraded with real gold
We need to verify these serial numbers against the log. Okay, that matches. Everything appears to be in order.
The production flow is one-directional, so phones move forward from intake to disassembly, then to metal finishing, then to reassembly, and never return backward.
Protective equipment is used everywhere, including gloves and masks, because fingerprints and dust can ruin mirror-like gold.
The factory's first active step starts at the intake station, where each phone is confirmed compatible with a luxury gold conversion. The process now moves forward to device preparation and safe disassembly, ensuring the phone is ready for gold finish.
That's 12.45 kilograms. Verified.
For surface finishing, part of the gold is rolled into ultra-thin sheets designed for smartphone frame coverage.
Once approved, prepared gold materials move forward to melting, casting, and precision shaping operations.
Temperature holding steady at 1945 Kelvin.
Initiate pour sequence. Arm engaging now.
These molds clearly define button cutouts, port openings, and camera housing zones.
9. Mold design ensures flat surfaces and sharp edges required for smartphone assembly. Each machined smartphone frame is removed and measured using digital gauges and optical scanners. Coating thickness is controlled to protect gold surfaces without affecting button fit or port alignment.
7. Special focus is given to phone edges and corners where wear is most likely during daily use.
Temperature and curing time are optimized for thin gold phone frames to avoid discoloration. 10. After curing, frames cool naturally without being removed from phone-shaped fixtures.
The process now moves forward to smartphone core assembly and gold frame integration.
Each device core is inspected to ensure compatibility with the custom gold smartphone frame.
Alignment pins ensure ports, buttons, and camera modules match gold frame openings precisely.
There's a slight misalignment here on the top edge.
The coating depth is inconsistent near the camera.
Let's double check the tolerance on that scratch.
Visual check complete on Unit 7.
Looks good. Proceed with closure.
Each box device is placed into an outer protective sleeve featuring product identification.